Designed without the need for a turntable, the flatbed technology gives you more usable space in your microwave. The flatbed design allows larger size containers and crockery, such as square plates and casserole dishes, to be reheated or defrosted. The diamond cavity structure provides improved microwave distribution by enhancing the reflection of the microwaves inside the cavity. This helps to cook your food more effectively, saving time and energy. Microwaves with a flatbed are much easier to clean, as food debris and moisture can be effortlessly wiped away.